Welcome. Today we are going to check out the free app called Clone This User and how it works in Salesforce. First, be sure that you've installed Clone This User to your org. You can find it in the AppExchange, or you can visit us at clonethisuser.com. Once you've finished installing it, you'll be all set. Let's check it out. So on your desktop, after you have logged into Salesforce, locate the app launcher in the upper left-hand corner. Once you've located it, click on it to open and see your apps. Under your apps, under all items, you'll be able to see Clone This User. So I'm going to click on Clone This User, and in the first screen, we want to select the user that we would like to clone. So you can search for them by name, either first name or last name, and you can find them by clicking on the search icon to the right of their name. After you've clicked on the icon, locate the user that you'd like to clone and click on them. On the new screen, we want to enter the information of our new user, so their first name, their last name, and of course their email address. And after we enter the email address, the username will populate once you enter into that field. You can also edit their username if you need to create something that's unique. Under their names and information, you can see that we can generate a new password and notify the user immediately by clicking this checkbox, or we can uncheck it. Also underneath that, we can expand our advanced options to see what's available. So we can also include permission set assignments, queue membership, public group membership, as well as permission set license assignments. I'm going to go ahead and keep those checked for now, but you can also uncheck them if you need to. Now that we're all set, all we have to do is click Clone. Once I click Clone, the next screen will show me that it's successful. We have our new user, Michael Jordan, cloned from Cassidy Donnelly, and that a password was not generated, and then we can see a list of things that were cloned. We can see our fields, as well as the advanced options. And that's really it. You can always click on the users if you want to review their profiles again, or you can simply click to another screen and get back to work. You can visit us at the AppExchange or at clonethisuser.com. Thank you for checking out Clone This User today. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to take a look at Clone This User and how it works in your Salesforce mobile app. So first things first, make sure that you have installed Clone This User to your org, and then secondly, make sure that Clone This User appears in your mobile navigation menu, and then you will be all set. So here we are on our mobile device, and we would like to clone a user. You're going to open your Salesforce mobile app, and then you're going to click on the navigation menu to find Clone This User. You can see that I have Clone This User there at the top of the navigation. So when you click on Clone This User, it's going to take you to a new screen where you can search for your active and inactive users. You can search by first name or last name. Either one will be perfectly fine. And then you can click the search icon. When I enter that, you can see Cassidy Donnelly pops up as a user. She's a system administrator and she is active. So this is the person that I would like to clone. So I'm going to click on their user profile, and then the next screen is going to have us enter the information of the new person. So I can enter their first name, their last name, and their email address. And of course, once you click on a new field, their username will populate for you, or you can edit it if you need to. Also underneath there, you can see that you can generate a new password and notify the user immediately by keeping that checkbox checked, or you can uncheck it if you don't need that to happen. And then under advanced options, we can click the plus sign to see some other choices that we can have. We can use our permission set assignments, queue membership, public group membership, or permission set license assignments. I'm going to keep those checked for now, but you can always uncheck them if you need to. And then we're going to click Clone. After we click Clone, it's going to show us that we were successful. So now we have our new user, Julia Roberts, who was cloned from Cassidy Donnelly as the system administrator. There was no new generated password, and then we can see the list of things that were cloned. We can see the fields, as well as the advanced options that were cloned. And that's really it. And now you can click the back arrow. You can go back to your navigation, see chatter, and get to work. Do whatever you need to do. So thank you guys so much for joining me today to check out Clone This User on your mobile app. And just remember, you can download this for free at the AppExchange, or you can visit us at clonethisuser.com. Thanks so much.